Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do worksheet based questions. Okay, I am going to solve some questions here on the abacus and I'll write the answers also. Okay, then I'm going to give you some questions for practice. Okay, it is going to be the same kind of questions that we are doing in the class. Okay, so that will be your practice thing, and you can drop the answers of homework in the comments. All right, let's start. First question. Let's start with the B row, okay? Because A row is easy. I'll give you that in homework. I'm going to make you do hard questions in the class, okay? Let's start with the B row. First question, 3, okay? Then less 2, add 2 and add 1. All of us know, right? All of us know that when we add 3 bits, it is plus 3. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Then if I have to do less 2, if I bring 2 beats down, this is less 2. Now plus 2. How will I do plus 2? 2 beats up, plus 2, and this is plus 1. Okay, we have already learned how to add numbers in our introduction video. Okay, I'll explain you here also, but if you still have any confusion, you can watch that video. Okay, what is our answer? 4. Let's write our answer here, 4. Okay, done. Next question, 4. I have to add a 4. So how many beats for 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. You will not add like this. I'm just telling you to. Okay. So that you guys don't face any confusion. This is 4. Now minus 3. How can I do minus 3? I will subtract 3 beats. 1, 2 and 3. Minus 3. Now plus 1. I'll add 1 beat. Now plus 2. How many beats? 2 beats. 1 and 2. 2. My answer is 4. Okay. My answer is 4. Next question. 2. Okay. For 2, how many beats? 1 and 2. Again 2. For 2, how many beats? 1 and 2. 2 beats. Now minus 1. I'll bring 1 beat down. Minus 3. I'll bring 3 beats down. My answer is 0. Okay. Next. 1. That means 1 beat up. Then 3. 3 beats up. 1, 2 and 3. Minus 2. 2 beats down. 1 and 2. Plus 2. 2 beats up. 1 and 2. Answer is 4. Easy. Next. Let us write this 0 properly, okay? Okay. Now, last answer, that is last question, 1. For 1, I have to add 1 beat, okay, added. Now plus 2, 2 beats, okay, added. Now minus 3, 1, 2 and 3, we can subtract 3 beats. Now plus 2. My answer is 2. Okay, my answer is 2. Okay, so I hope it was clear, guys. The questions on the top, they are really easy. Complete them in homework and let me know the answers in comments. Okay, this is your task for this class. I hope it was a fun session, guys. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.